Okay, you're on.
Hey, in my book, and ready, open, and the radio video.
You see? Open to a brand new video, guys. Isn't that like... Morning, guys. So, I am back. This is gonna be my first video of 2020. So, yeah, guys. I'm gonna do a vlog. And I'll explain what I've been missing later on in the video, obviously. But, yeah, join me today. Okay, that's a really cute duster. Really pretty. I have it in blue too. It's cute. That's cute. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I like these so much. I wanted this the other day. It's like leather and furry. Furry. 70% off. Black and black butter, I think. That bomber jacket's cute. I think it's the one I just showed you in the mannequin. Here's some black. It's pretty. It's a little boxy. Okay guys, we're at KMART. We're at the makeup section. This is the L'Oreal section. This is a lot of mascaras. And what is this? Eyeliner. And they have black radiance here.
Attention Shop Your Way members. Learn how to make the most of each Shop Your Way benefit and find the answer to every membership
I like these,
question
but
by
I
visiting
can't remember what I have.
shopyourway.com/how-to.
Oh my god, guys, they have Jordana here. I haven't seen this in forever. I'll take this one. Like, they have lip liners, Black and Rose, Cabaret, Coco Loco. I'm gonna take this. Wait, what's this? Yeah, lip liners. Okay. So this is what I'm gonna take. Milani. I feel like KMART's prices are pretty okay. They're a little bit up there, but not so much. Okay, this is CoverGirl. See, that's $19 here. Isn't that crazy? This foundation. I think that's kind of expensive for the drugstore. all the CoverGirl. $6.99, not bad. Now moving on to Vemo. I actually wanted something from here. The lip liners. Epic. I don't know. Should I buy them? I don't know, guys. And the prices aren't bad. $5. Once CVS it's more expensive. Actually think that's good. Yeah, Vemo isn't bad here at all. And then we have Maybelline, which is just everywhere. This really little Maybelline stuff, and then they have like in buckets. I wonder how much these are. They don't have a lot of stuff, guys. They don't have a lot of lashes. I like those. Oh my god, I like those. I think I'm gonna get those. I think they're cute. I like those. I like those a lot. Then we have Wet n Wild. Yeah. A big selection for a while. Oh my god, these are $2.99 when at CVS. These are like $5, I think. Oh. I'm gonna start coming here more often. And then you're gonna fall. I thought she was gonna fall. Hey, kitty pie. Look at me, guys. Look at the mess. Look at a total mess. Oh my god. Guys, this is third day here. It's disgusting. Hi. Isn't she adorable? Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, she's so cute, my baby.
Hello.
Hola.
Hello.
You shopping? Analia. Good job. Thumbs up. It's the Analia show, guys. My very casual outfit of the day, guys. Look at this mess. Oh my god. And they're looking at clothes again. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm home now, and this is my mini haul. I wanted a lip liner, and I got an eyebrow pencil. And my husband buys me Starbucks. Isn't he the sweetest? Okay, you're on.
Hey, in my book, and ready, open, and the radio video.
You see? Open to a brand new video, guys. Isn't that the cutest?
No, my door open. My mama opened my door. Mama home. What did do my door? What did Mama? What did Freddy? It's gonna be huge.
It's gonna be huge?
Yeah.
What's gonna be huge?
Big, big, big. Big white.
So guys, yeah, it's later on in the day and my son wants to make like slime. So we're not gonna make slime. We're gonna do what we used to play, like with cornstarch and water. I mean, they used to show it a lot on TV before when I was a little girl. I don't know if any of you watched Zoom. Yeah, I saw it there. So yeah, we're gonna watch it now. We're gonna do it now. So yeah, guys, he's excited. So are you excited?
So I I make climate agua with soda with KMART.
With cornstarch. And no soda. Okay, let's start.
No.
Okay, guys, so he's gonna make his first experiment. Okay. We have a little pot. We have water and we have cornstarch. Okay, you're gonna pour this into the pot. No, first the cornstarch. Pour this in here.
Here.
Yeah.
Here. Here.
Yeah, so pour the maizena into the pot.
Like this.
Yes, good job. Okay, pour. Let me see. Hold on, let me open it. It's a little bit closed. Sorry, guys. Okay, now pour it. Now pour it. No, don't pour it like this.
Yeah.
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 Sorry, guys, we're very bad filming. I'm holding the camera. Pour a lot. A lot. More. But don't shake so much. Like this.
Thank you, Mama.
Okay, there we go. Let's see if that's enough.
Cup of agua.
Yeah, no, your cup of agua. Cup of water, guys. Okay, pour some. More. That's it. That's it. Now pull up your sleeves.
Okay.
Pull up your sleeves. Hold your hands straight, strong. Now the other one. Okay, and now but with your hands, mix this. Get dirty with your hands. Mix it with your hands. You just want to mix. Mix it like this. Oh, it's cold water actually. Oops, I should have gotten water. Mix.
Let's go to water, Mama.
Yeah, look, mix. Mix, Tiago, mix.
Alright, later, yo.
Bye. Can you grab Analia, please?
One, Analia, be careful.
My place.
Alright, bye, guys.
Bye.
Look.
Okay, pour more because you need more. Lalo, help us with our experiment. Can you pour some more cornstarch in there? It has to be a lot of cornstarch. I don't remember so much. Just pour a lot. More. Okay.
You guys have to make this.
Oh my god, I love how this feels. This is very what does that Montessori school do? There, you pour a lot of water. I told you. Okay, more, Lalo. We need a lot. Because you pour a lot of water. A lot. We need to make the water like thick.
I think we're almost out of cornstarch.
It's okay, just pour it all in there.
Get too much.
Yeah, we need the water to get super thick.
Dirty, Mama.
Diego, stop dirtying Mama.
Thank you.
That was it?
Thank you, Lalo.
Okay, guys, our experiment was a total fail. Move your hand.
Oh my God, it was my hand, Mama.
Yeah, but he's happy with it. So I guess it was not a fail, but it was a fail at the same time. It's supposed to get, I don't know, it's supposed to be different. It's supposed to be thick, not like, you put too much water. Yeah, guys, let me clean this up. I'll be right back. Guys, for the sake of being real, look at the aftermath of this mini experiment. Oh my god. And this boy, he's always wanting the phone, so I just give it to him. Look at this. And look at my house. It's a mess. Oh god. Hi. You see my shelf right there? She goes in there and she always pulls out all the books. Always. Hi. Yeah, so I'm gonna clean. Anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna end this vlog on this note because I have to clean. Okay, guys, so thanks for joining me. Sorry, my lighting's so bad. There you go. So thanks for joining me today on my vlog with my son's experiment, going shopping. So yeah, guys, see you next time. And, you know, like, comment, subscribe. I'll try to keep I said I was gonna update you on this video, but I didn't get to because I get so busy with the kids, guys. But yeah, on the next video, I'm probably to get ready with me, and I'll update you there on why I've been missing for so long, what I've been doing, and what I've not been doing because I've actually been sick. That's pretty much. But I'll talk more about it in my next video probably. So yeah, guys, thanks for joining me today on my shopping, my experiment with my son, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Thanks, like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you like this video. It's all over the place, but guys, I'll try to keep up now with the videos, do more, work harder for you guys. So yeah, I'll see you later. Like, comment, subscribe again. Bye.